Go Ty. How was the score?
69.
Oh my goodness.
No, I'll try again.
That was great, Tyler.
Try one more time.
Give me a high five.
Mommy, do you want me to try one more time?
Yeah, how old are you?
5.5.
You're awesome.
I'll do